Hello internet marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am on day 260 with my internet marketing YouTube channel. So it's been a while since I've posted another update video. I've just been really busy, and as you can see here are my latest videos. I've only posted 4 videos. As you can see here, January 2nd and January 31st, 4 videos for the whole month. And today is February 15th and I posted 0 videos so far this month. How does that affect my channel earnings and views? So here it is, last 28 days. It's been pretty steady. There hasn't been any actual major decline, even with no new videos posted. So I am pretty surprised about that. The views pretty much stayed the same. Same with engagement and reach. For the last 2 weeks, I haven't posted a single new video. It's still pretty stable, still earning passive income here, as you can see. So let's check out the last 90 days. So once you have a good amount of videos posted, YouTube will take care of itself. You can still be earning a pretty good passive income without actually putting up a bunch of new videos. And the strange thing is that my audience and subscribers are still going up, even with very little new content posted. So yeah, YouTube is definitely a very good passive income source. You just got to work hard and make content. And over time, it'll bring you pretty good money, pretty steady, no big changes. Even if you take a week or a month off, going on vacation or doing other things, I hope to get back to posting more content. Okay, thanks for following my YouTube journey progress. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, WordPress tutorials, and money-making opportunities online. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.